Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have a haul video for you guys. We ended up going to Ross, Target, Walmart, and Aldi. The main reason was honestly to go to Costco and Aldi, but we made some pit stops. But majority of the food was Aldi. I picked up a couple things. What you doing, Mommy? Filming, mi amor. Filming, mi vida preciosa. What you doing? I'm filming, baby. What you doing? Here, you can play with that. Go put these bandages on Daddy. Band-aids. So again, we went to so Ross and Walmart were kind of like pit stops, and then we mainly needed to go to Costco, but we're actually going to save that trip till tomorrow. We got a lot of stuff at Aldi. I need to replenish my fridge and some things in the pantry. It's mainly fresh produce. Again, we didn't shop for 2 weeks. I did say that in my last video, so we kind of needed some more stuff. And then I'm going to recheck the freezer for stuff we need at Costco. So I am going to first show you guys what we picked up at Ross. All right, so at Ross, it was a very quick little run-in. My husband just needed some shampoo since we haven't been able to get the one that we normally get at JCPenney. So he got this argan oil one, which is great because he has really oily hair. So the argan oil is going to help his hair produce less oil, and he has thin hair, so he got the thickening shampoo. We will see how this works for him. Hopefully he likes it. I don't even think he smelled it, and this was $8. It smells really good. I don't know if he's gonna like that, but I do. All right, and then he saw these and had to get it. And they are little collect them all mystery mini friends, and my daughter does actually really like Blippi and Mika, so we picked this one up. And then we saw this, and I think it was just that we were both hungry, so we got this. It's like chocolate almond covered pretzel sticks, and they look delicious. We're not gonna eat them now because it is really late. It's going to be 8 o'clock already. We went to the stores late today. We normally go as soon as we wake up, but we went like at almost 2. So yeah. All right. So we got that. I am going to jump in to Walmart since we didn't get any food there. At Walmart, I did get 2 of these. They do make noise, so I'm not going to play it right now. My twin cousins are actually just graduated high school. Yes, high school. I'm going to get them some gift cards, and I thought this was really cute to put the gift cards in, and they were on clearance, and this is class of 2024. My baby twin cousins are graduating high school. I'm mind blown. I cannot believe it. Anyways, so we got that at Walmart, and then you guys know I am a mom. It was so hard. So they had a little section that were $5 dresses, which I don't normally go to Walmart. So whenever we go, I always check out the clothes. And I saw a couple. I had like 7 in my hand, and my husband was like, relax a little. Okay. So I got 3. My daughter picked out this one though. I got it in 3T. Again, these were all like $5. But it's really, really cute purple and floral one. She says her favorite color is purple, so we had to get that one for her. I saw this one as well. I thought this one was really cute. It has pockets, and she loves pockets. Again, so I got it in 3T, and again, it was very affordable. It was only $5.98. I really wanted dresses because she's been liking dresses lately, which my mom's living her best life because she loves dresses. I personally don't, so I always said if she ever asks us to wear a dress, I will buy her dresses, and now she is. So I got this one, super cute, and it has the pickles, it has the pockets. And then I saw this one. I thought it was really cute as well, and again, it has the pockets, and it's nice and simple. I wanted some for her to be able to run around and play with, not just like super fancy nice dresses. All right, so that is all from Walmart. I'm going to jump into Target. Before I jump into Target, let me show you 2 clothing items we did get. We did have another dress that was like Disney kind of cute dress, but we decided to leave it. Good thing because we found those dresses at Walmart. But my husband saw this, and it's a Pokemon dress, and this is dress. What is wrong with me? Sweater, and this was $10. It was on clearance, and my husband loves Pokemon, so he got this for her. It is a size 4-5 extra small. which is her next size category. She is already wearing 3T in dresses, but she's wearing 4T. Now she's moving into 4T. So I think this would be perfect for winter because we layer her anyways. And then I saw this dress and I had to actually been seeing this dress for like a while, and I was like, all right, let's just get it. I got it in 3T and it is a really cute Minnie Mouse dress. All right, and then random things that I did pick up again at Target. All right, I saw this ball in the spot section, and so we should get it. It is a soft ball. You can also use it in the water, and this was $5. So I thought we should get it. Again, this was actually This was actually the only one that is like kind of like this color scheme. So I thought it was really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that over there. And then I also picked up some more water wipes. Starting to use these for those nights that I am not taking her a bath and she's outside playing. I wish my child loved taking a bath, but she really doesn't. She kind of fights. So I try as much as I possibly can when I can. But if not, like if she's really tired and sleepy and ready for bed, I just wipe her down. So I got some of these. She has really sensitive skin, so yeah. I got 2 of these. She has one right now. And it is Gabby's 14 bandages, affordable, cheap, and easy. Careful, baby. And then I also got this Bat Wheels one. She likes cars, so I thought this would be great for her. It's the first time I've ever seen these, which are Blippi ones, and yeah, you like the ball? And the book has Blippi and Mika on the side, but you can't really see it here. But I got 2 of those. I love picking these up whenever I see them. I got another princess one. All right. I also picked up these plates. They were $3 for 14 tiny plates. Specifically for her to play with her kinetic sand outside. She likes using paper plates, but I thought it would be better something sturdy because when the wind comes, the plate goes flying. So I thought this would be better. And my husband got some, careful, mommy. Go over there, please. Thank you, mama. Some original erase pads. These were on clearance, so he got those. We got 2 of these. We were supposed to go to Dollar Tree. We were supposed to go to Dollar Tree, but we didn't. So I ended up getting some of these. They're $149, I believe. So we got 2 of these. I'm actually gonna throw that right there. That needs to go in the bathroom. I usually get these at Dollar Tree, but we didn't go, so I got some of these. Got some Clorox wipes. I'm gonna move you guys back so I can show you the rest. All right, so I got some Special K cereal. I absolutely love this cereal. It is actually really, really, really good if you haven't tried it. I'm so sorry about my toddler. I also got some raw mixed nuts. She loves these. I do cut them up though when I give them to her, just to make them a little bit smaller and easier for her to eat. We got 2 peanut butter and jellies. My daughter loves peanut butter and jelly, so we got 2. I got unsalted dry roasted peanuts. My husband actually picked this one out for her, and they were pretty affordable. And then he got for himself honey dry roasted peanuts. I got some. I didn't have ham, so I just got this spray butter flavored pan thing. And then I picked up some raisins for Munchkin, and I picked up some yogurt covered raisins for my husband. He loves those, so I picked those up. All right, so I've got some Blue Lizard Australian sunscreen. We usually use the baby one. My mom lost it, so I ended up picking up the kids one. I did get the spray one as well. It just hasn't arrived yet. But I do really like this one. It doesn't really leave your skin as sticky, and my daughter has really bad eczema, so it works out perfectly. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got from Aldi. I did get 2 things that are not up there because they're not food. But I did see these really cute toddler water shoes. I thought they were so, so cute. They're a Little Mermaid. There was this one or Minnie, and I asked her which one she preferred, and she actually said Minnie. So we got her the Minnie. Easy on. Elastic. Got her in size 7-8. She is a size 8. But they look kind of big, so I'm pretty sure they're going to fit her. And then I picked up this hat that I saw that was really, really cute. And again, I got an Ariel because she already picked those shoes. And this are reversible, so we can switch it inside out. She does love her hat, so I thought it would be really, really cute. But yeah, so let me go ahead and actually switch the camera over so you guys can go ahead and see what I got at Aldi. All right, so my daughter loves these, and they're very easy to make. I just steam them, and it has cauliflowers, carrots, broccoli. This is great. We got 4 of those. I got some string cheese. I got some mozzarella. These were actually on sale, so I got 2. These little potatoes. I actually really like curly fries, so I picked this one up when I saw it. I love these crispy circles tater tots. My husband likes the poofier one, so I got both because we're weird and we like everything different, I feel like, when it comes to food. I got 2 of these cream cheese ones. I prefer the spread, but they were wiped out because they had a recall, so I picked up 2 of the regular ones. I got some more unsalted butter. My daughter actually ended up loving these, and this is like the first time she actually loves any kind of sausage, so I decided to pick up more. We had 1 already in the freezer, so we picked up 3 more. I got some chopped salad, and I got some spinach. I did get some animal crackers for my toddler and see how she likes those. I got 2 things of bagels. My husband loves bagels, and so does my daughter. She loves bagels with cream cheese. Me and my husband and my munchkin all like hard salami, so I got 2 of those. We were gonna do a cookout today, but we're actually gonna do it tomorrow. So he got some of these guys to make on the grill. We needed some maple syrup, so we picked up 1 of those. I got chips for me and my husband, and 1 for my daughter. We got some blueberries that I'm about to wash, some strawberries, and some blackberries as well. I got some garlic, some ginger. I love having ginger in the house. I got some carrots, some celery, some bell peppers. I got some cilantro down here. We needed to get rosemary, but we couldn't find any, so I got some cilantro. I got 2 of these bigger cucumbers. We got some apples, some lime, lemon, some cuties back here. I got some onions, some grapes that are smushed right there, and some pears. I know it's quite a lot, but we needed to do grocery shopping. And tomorrow, which will probably be the next video, we will get some stuff from Costco. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this emoji down below if you are still here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.